To upload a new voice broadcast message to your campaign, simply click on the speaker here. This brings up all of the recordings that you already have on your server. You can either select one that you already have, or you can click on Add a Sound File to upload a new one. There are two options here. The first option is that you can upload a WAV file from your computer. The second option is that you can record the voice broadcast message over a telephone. You can have it call you at any phone number. Simply type in your phone number here and click Add Sound. At that point in time, your phone will ring and it will ask you to record over the phone. Once you are done recording over the phone, there will be a box that pops up asking you if that is the recording that you would like to use. In this instance, we're going to upload a WAV file from the computer. First, we will give it a name, and then we'll give it a description. Now we will browse for it on our computer. Now that we have selected the WAV file, we simply click Add Sound. At this time, your upload will begin. Once the upload is complete, you will be notified that the upload is complete. Click OK and scroll down to the very bottom of your files. You will see your recording there. To set the voice broadcast message, click here. To set the message to play on answering machines that you are calling, you can click here. To set it as the inbound message, when callers press a button to speak with one of your live agents, you can press here. Now click Copy Sound Files to Voice Broadcast. Once it is successful, it will notify you of that. We now have our message set.